Hello, pile one. So, today we are going to see thoughts of your person, what your person is currently thinking about you, what their feelings, and what situation you all are going through. Okay, so let's start. This is pile one. Image is already given on your screen. Okay, so let's start. So, let's see. Firstly, we will see what you are going through, what type of situation you are going through, you and your person. Okay, so this way you can confirm that this is your reading. Okay. So what you are going through, definitely what I see, you are going through a separation, ending, or a fight. Okay, you or your person may have a little fight. I'm not seeing like big fight here, I'm seeing little verbal arguments here. Okay, yes, and for some of you it may be a breakup. Okay, for others it may be a fight with your person. And what they are thinking about this fight currently. They didn't wanted to fight with you, argue with you. Okay, but due to maybe some situation they had to do so, or you shouted at them. Okay, which I'm getting here. Or yes, and they're still you can notice this person is still looking back at you. They still find you attractive even after this fight. Okay, which I'm getting. They still find you hot, attractive, even if you have fought recently. So I'm getting a recent energies from this cards. Okay, this person may live at distance in another city or country. Okay, or due to some reasons you can't meet. Okay, due to the COVID situation, or some of you don't live in the same city. Even if you live in the same city, you are like far away from each other. Okay, yes, they are even after all those things, all those fights, misunderstandings, if this resonates with you, then this is your pile. Okay, because we are looking at your situation, current situation, what you are going through in this connection, whether this is your crush or you are in relationship. Okay, yes, and yeah, they are waiting for your message, call. They want to talk with you after this fight or the whole scene drama. Okay, if this resonates with you, if you had a small little fight with this person, or argument over a topic. Okay, then this is your pile. Okay, or you had an ending with this person, or this person lives far away from you, then this is your pile. Okay, so this is going on in your connection currently, but they still find you attractive, very attractive, even after this fight. Now let's see what they are romantically feeling about you. What are their romantic feelings? So we have the Emperor here, we have King of Wands, Emperor, King of Wands, Knight of Wands, sorry, and Knight of Cups. Okay, so definitely two fire sign are here. This person, how they are romantically feeling about you. So they are feeling very passionate about you. They want to talk with you. Okay, the first card, this card makes me think of they want to ride you. Okay, you know what I mean. Okay, they want to have good time with you, passionate moments with you. This person is little controlling. Okay, in the past they didn't met a person like you. Okay, in the past people easily fell prey to them. Okay, fell in love with them or instantly liked them, but you are like the emperor to them. Okay, emperor or empress to them, who doesn't fall in love easily. Okay, it takes time for you to engage with someone. Okay, and I'm seeing a lot of like sexual feelings, romantic feelings in this pile. This person is very charming. Okay, they may want to have a sex with you. Okay, this is I'm getting, so I have to say it. Yes, they want to hug you, kiss you. They want to punish you also, which I'm getting, for ignoring them or for fighting with them. They want to punish you for it. If you are with somebody else, they are not liking it at all. Okay, you are the empress, they are the empress. Both are, I'm getting fire signs. It's not necessary, but yeah, you both are very fiery, very strong personalities, which I'm getting. Very strong personality you both are. So you don't lie down easily, you both. Okay, in front of others, you are very strong-minded person. You don't fall easily in love, or you will not give yourself easily to others in the bed, or okay. So this person likes it. This person likes how brave you are, how confident you are. You are different from others, okay, because others fell in love quickly with them, but you are different here. You don't fall easily, you don't trust this person completely. That is also I'm getting, if this is a friend zone person, okay. And yes, I'm also getting that this person doesn't want to be your friend. If this is your friend, they want to have good time with you, they want to hug you, kiss you, go on dates with you. This is what I'm getting with your pile. Yes, very passion, very hot energy. Yes, yes, and they want to offer you something stable, okay, because they are very stable person, which I'm seeing here, at a good position, or they will be at a good position, or you are. They like how strong minded you are, how loving you are, how attractive you look, okay. These things they really like in you. And how you don't easily give it to them, okay. You are mysterious to them, you are unique to them, okay. You are like that beautiful flower which they want to smell, touch, but unfortunately they can't pluck it, okay. Yes, so this is what I'm getting from your pile. And we have seen, let's see their actions, what will be their actions, okay. So we have Ace of Wands here, then we have, okay, then we have Temperance and Devil. So with the Devil card here and Temperance and Ace of Wands, definitely I'm seeing a lot of sexual chemistry between you two, okay. I have to say it, they find you very hot, attractive, they really appreciate your body, they like your body, they love your hair also, okay. And currently they are the thoughts are for 80% of you, they are thinking sexually about you, romantically, sexually, okay. Yes, they are controlling their passion for you, because we have Temperance and the Devil here. So they are controlling their passion for you, which I don't think so they can control for too long, okay. Yes, they are trying to stand their ground, they are not trying to lose it with you, but they can't help it, because you are a very attractive and unique person in their eyes, okay. And they're trying to control their passion, romantic feelings, they are trying to control it, hide it, okay. You can accept a call message from this person, as well as romantic call chats, okay, dates if possible, okay. You can accept those things from this person, because this person is like thinking, this person is obsessed about you, okay. They are very attracted to you, they are trying to control their passion which they have for you, okay, because we have two cards of sex, passion, romance, okay. So you may accept something romantic, some romantic gestures from this person. So this is what I'm getting, and let's see energy oracle cards for more information, okay. So we have two cards here for you, pile one. The first card here is appreciation, and the second card is temple path, okay. So same thing which I'm getting here, they find that you are their true partner, soulmate. They find you very attractive. We have the appreciation card, so definitely I said you are like a flower to them. Definitely you are very attractive, beautiful woman or men, okay, who is watching this video. And they find you very attractive, and they love your inner beauty as well as your outer beauty, because we have temple path that talks about inner beauty. That's my opinion, okay. That's talk about inner beauty, and appreciation talks about outer beauty of this lady standing here, okay. So you have both. You are spiritually very aware, okay, as well as you are very attractive, spiritual woman or women or men, okay. So they like your these qualities. You have an inner knowing about things which they really love. They can't cheat you, which I'm seeing here, because you are a very intuitive person. Nobody can cheat you or lie to you, because you are very spiritually inclined person. There is a, your intuition is very heightened. You are a spiritual person as well as very attractive woman or men, okay. They find peace with you, peace, a different kind of peace which they don't find in any other women which they have ever met, okay. They like your inner beauty, how pure you are, okay. They like your purity of character, okay. So these things I'm getting from your person right now. Okay, anything else? Let me see. You are like a light at the end of the tunnel for them. They have met many people in their life, this person, and they have met many people, but nobody was like you. You are different. You are like an empress for them. Okay, and they are like the emperor. Okay, they also find you like a wife and husband material. Okay, and they are here for a long run, not for a short run. Okay, so let's see your love messages, okay, which I have for you. So let's see. So the first message which we have is, I love touching you all over. This is the first message. Second message, you give amazing hugs. So as I told you, you are very attractive. We can chat forever. So I already said that you will get some text messages from them, this person. Okay, they may send you something romantic. Okay, you have taught me what love is all about. Okay, you can see it, and I feel comfortable in your arms. Yes, touching you is the most wonderful feeling ever. So this all talks about touching, hugging, kissing. So definitely their current energy is very romantic. They are very romantic person deep down. Okay, they want to spend some time with you, romantic moments with you. This is what I'm getting for pile 1. Okay, very loving person. Okay, okay, so this is what I'm getting for pile 1. Thank you for watching. Bye. Welcome pile 2 to your reading, and today we will see how your person is feeling about you, what you are going through, what type of connection you are in. So firstly we will see what you are going through, so that will confirm that this is your reading. So let's see what you are going through. We have Hermit, then we have 5 of Wands, we have 9 of Swords. So this is what you are going through. Okay, so first thing which I'm getting here, that you and your person, you both are not talking with each other. Okay, and so I'm getting that you and your person are not talking with each other. Okay, right now you are in no contact situation. Okay, they, for pile 1 I also got that they are in some kind of argument or confusion, and I also see you thinking about this connection. You are not sleeping early, neither this person. So, and this person, for some of you I'm getting this person is not expressing their feelings to you, and you want them to express, because this is making you more tensed. Okay, yeah, there may be a lot of competition for this person or for your attention. This is what you both are going through. So let me tell you what you are going through. Okay, firstly I'm seeing there is no contact situation from this person. This person is hiding something from you. That is the first thing which I'm getting. If a person is not talking with you, this is that person. Okay, and you think that there is a lot of competition in this connection, or this person thinks there is a lot of competition in this connection, or you both got into a fight recently. Okay, and you both are not sleeping early at night. Maybe there is no contact situation in this connection, or this person is thinking about you, which I'm getting, overthinking about this connection, or you are overthinking about this connection. If this particular thing resonates with you, then this is your pile. Okay, yeah, maybe this person is not expressing the way they feel about you, so you are very much tense. So if this resonates with you, you can watch. If not, you can choose another pile. Okay, so today we are gonna see their thoughts about you. So this is what you are going through currently. Now let's see their thoughts about you. So let's see their thoughts about you. We have the Fool card here, we have the Justice, we have the Page of Swords. So what they are thinking, what are their thoughts? So firstly, with the Fool card here, they just want to meet you, which they can't due to the current situation. They want to travel with you, they want to communicate with you, they want to go far away places with you. You may live at distance. Okay, you may study together, some of you may be law student. Okay, I also see someone working on computer, so this person may be overworking. That is why you can't. Lot of conflicts is going on in this person's life. Okay, this can be. I'm also getting like death of a person in their families, or somebody sick. Somebody is sick in their family. Okay, so it is not possible for this person to talk or communicate with you right now, because they are going through a rough time, or you are going through a rough time. So it is not possible for both of you to communicate with each other your feelings. Okay, at this moment. But yes, deep down what their thoughts are, yes, they want to travel with you, they want to talk with you. Yes, they are very adventurous person deep down, and they may be planning a trip with you. Okay, they also want to visit your house if you are friends, or in relation, whatever. Okay, because many people are watching. Okay, then we have the justice card. They want justice in this situation. Okay, they want to convey their feelings to you. Okay, but right now I don't see them doing so. And they find you very attractive, very, you may be a rich, there is some kind of difference between you two. Okay, I see a difference in caste, religion, or in your positions at work. Okay, this person may be your senior, so that is why you can't tell them how you feel, or they can't tell you how they feel. Okay, so this may be your senior or colleague. Okay, you definitely met on social media here, which I'm getting. This person lives far away from you, or this person is from your work. Okay, and yes, this person is talking on social media, definitely with the page of swords here. This person is behaving little childish in this connection. They are not ready for a serious commitment here. If you are seeing for your crush, and if you are seeing for, if you are in relationship with this person, something is going on in their life, something, they are going through a rough phase in their life, so they can't communicate with you due to some reasons. They may be changing job, or they may have lost their job, or they may be changing their job, or they have some conflict with colleagues. Okay, or they are, you both, if you both work together, you both are in such situation where you can't express your feelings because you work together. Okay, so there are some limitations here which are stopping you both to meet. Okay, it may be geographical distance, it may be like work related, maybe this person is your senior or colleagues, or this person is thinking that what others will think about this connection. So right now they are thinking, they are, firstly they are resolving their own problems. Okay, they are not, they're not very much thinking about you, and they are trying to solve their problems, current problems which they are going through. Okay, they have a lot of work to do. They may be a workaholic, they may be a Capricorn, Cancer, I'm getting, I don't know why, Taurus, Virgo, somebody's air sign here. Okay, they may be thinking with their brain more than their heart. They are not listening to their own intuition, they are not realizing how they feel. They know it deep down that they have love for you, but they are not expressing it in the way that they should express. And they know that they are not doing it perfectly the way you want them to express their love, or the way you want them to be with you or behave with you. Okay, they are not behaving properly in this connection. Okay, if this person is your senior, they find you very attractive, hardworking person. Okay, these are their thoughts, but right now they are resolving their own problems. And what else they are thinking romantically about you? Yes, they want to go on a trip or vacation with you. This is the first thing which I'm getting. Secondly, they know that in this situation they can't do anything else. They are just stalking your social media. They are like finding excuses here. I'm getting, they are finding excuses to message you, to call you, to text you. They will they may message you for stupid reasons. Okay, they may message you for something silly. Okay, if this person is your colleague, they can message you for like work related things. It may not be important, but they are keeping an eye on you. They are stalking your social media. I'm definitely getting you. If you recently got into a fight, they want peace in the situation with this fool, with this white rose here. I'm getting they want peace in the situation. Okay, they are little immature, I have to say. They are very knowledgeable person, they are wise person, but they are immature about this love feelings. They are not realizing what love is. Maybe they never fell in love with anyone. Okay, or they are thinking more with their brain, not with their heart or intuition. They are just stalking you right now. They are thinking of stalking you even. Okay, they are trying to communicate to you with you about work, about traveling, these things, that what you will do after this COVID situation, when this ends. Okay, yeah, so these things I'm getting from your person. And what else? Yes, they find you very attractive. They don't have time for romance right now, or maybe they are busy with the work, but they do, like, they are fantasizing about you. I see fantasies about traveling, about dates. This person is romantic, not in a sexual way, but I'm seeing like yes, we can say there are not a lot of sexual feeling, there are more romantic feelings, stable type of feelings. They want stability in this connection. Okay, yes, right now they are resolving their own problems, so they don't have much time to think about you or know about you. So what they do, they stalk you. Okay, this is what they can do right now. So we have seen how they are feeling. So now let's see their future actions. What will be their future actions? These are their feelings. Let's see their actions. What are their actions? Okay, What will be this person's actions? You may have met this person at workplace, that I already said. They may message you for work related reasons. Okay, they may message you for some work or paperwork or anything. If this you study together, they can message you for silly reasons. Yes, they have a lot of feelings for you. Okay, so let's see what will be their actions, angels. Yes, I said they are dealing with some financial problems. Let's see something else. What will be their actions? They are thinking more with this, more with the head in this connection, because right now they are not going to come so easily, because they are dealing with some kind of problem here, which I see. They may be an air sign. Okay, they are thinking with their brain. They are not in a mood to take any action. They will only talk you about work or about other things. Okay, what else will be their actions? Okay, so firstly, they are themselves confused about this connection. If this is your crush, they don't know about your feelings. If this is your crush, they don't know how you feel about this connection. Okay, everything is blurred around them. Okay, they don't know what to do in this connection. They are confused. They are still confused. They're still thinking with the hermit. Sorry, not hermit, hangman. Okay, hermit. We also have hermit. So they are contemplating things in their mind. Yes, they are confused with about this connection. They do find you very attractive, very beautiful, definitely, but they are not taking any action towards you in the near future, which I see, if this is your crush. And if you are in relationship, then I would say they are going through a heartbreak or financial issues in their life, so they can't give you that much time. Okay, they may unexpectedly message you. Unexpected message may come. Okay, yes. So I was clarifying this card. They may express their love to you. Yes, they will communicate with you. Definitely, they will communicate with you here. I'm getting. What else? They want equal give and take in this connection. They want, yes, they do have some feelings for you here with the lover card. So they want equal give and take in this connection. They don't want to lose you either. Okay, because in the past they may have been in toxic relationships, so they are not taking action. For most of you, I feel this is your crush, or if you have a crush on somebody. Okay, yes, you may receive some message, but it will take time. Okay, it can take some time. I don't talk about times because it will be different for different people. Okay, so let's take okay, we have to see your oracles also. So yes, we have victory and yin yang. So you may be, however, I don't believe in twin flame relationship, but you may be a twin flame if you believe in that. And victory, yes, they want victory in this connection. They want to win you over. If there is a competition, they want to fight for you. Okay, they think you are their other half. Yes, they think you are their counterpart. You're a very beautiful woman. Your face is very attractive. This is what I'm getting. If you recently uploaded a picture or somewhere, they really like it. Okay, they want victory in this connection. But let's see advice for you, and then we will see some love messages. One advice for you. I didn't take any advice for pile 1. Yes. Okay, we have, okay, focus on yourself. Definitely this person will come. If you want this person, keep manifesting this person. Okay, and focus on yourself. The more you focus on yourself, the more this person will be attracted to you. Okay, the less you focus, the less this person will be attracted to you. So focus on your abundance, your beauty, your creativity, whatever you do, your work. Okay, focus on those things. Now let's see messages. You have the cutest smile on earth. Okay, you make my fears melt away. So yes, this person is little fearful about this connection because they may have been hurt in the past. So if I die tomorrow, I would know I found my soulmate in this life. Yin yang, we also have yin yang. So if I die tomorrow, I would know I found my soulmate in this life. So they consider you as soulmate. Okay, I trust you with my life and hearts. So this person definitely trusts you a lot. I can guess what you can guess what I'm going to say. So yin yang, they both know okay, what is going on in each other's life. You smell good, so you may smell good. I talked about your beauty, something related with your beauty. Maybe you look very beautiful, you have improved yourself. So this person really likes that. Okay, so this is what I'm getting for pile 2. Thank you for watching. Bye. Welcome pile 3 to your reading. So today we will see how your person is currently feeling, what are their thoughts, feeling, what type of connection you are in. So firstly we will see that what you are going through. Okay, that will confirm that this is your reading. Okay, and if it does not resonate, so you can choose another pile. Okay, so let's see what you are going through right now. So what you are going through currently. Okay, so right now I see you like waiting for this person. That is the first thing came into my mind. So definitely in this connection you are waiting for this person to call, text or message you. Okay, you are waiting for their proposal. You may be waiting for them. Some of you may be getting married. Yes, I'm getting that also. So some of you are getting married with this person. Maybe your marriage is postponed. Yes, you are talking about how your married life will be. If you are already in relationship with this person, you are talking about, or they are thinking about how your marriage will be. So I'm seeing a strong connection here, strong like marriage potential here. Okay, you may be planning your marriage may have been postponed due to COVID situation here, and you are waiting for your marriage. This person is working on their finances so they can make their wedding day the best day in their life and in your life. Okay, I don't know why wedding came into my mind. Maybe some of you are getting married or you are already married to this person and you want to know how this person feels about you. This person is working on their finances right now, okay? And they are thinking about you. You both miss each other. You talk with each other. You really like each other. There is like a teenage love connection here. The new love connection. Something on those lines I'm getting, okay? There's a lot of emotion as well as money in this connection, abundance in this connection. They really want to offer you something. So for most of you, I'm seeing you are either already in relationship or this is your like crush who lives far away from you and you both are missing each other, or there is kind of telepathic communication between you two. Okay, you two. So this is what I'm getting. If this resonates with you, then you can watch. Okay, let's see what they are romantically feeling about you. I told you this person wants stable connection with you, marriage with you. Okay, what else? Yes, they may live far away from you. What else? One more card, what they are feeling, how they are feeling about pile 2. Straight away I'm seeing they want a successful marriage with you. Okay, they want a successful marriage with you. Yes, 2 of cups here. So yes, they want a successful marriage with you, commitment with you, financial abundance with you. You both may be very financially well off, or this person is working on their business. Maybe due to the COVID situation they faced some loss in their business. This person is definitely going through a transformation. When you met this person, you both were going through a transformation and you met this person online or or through work. Okay, and how this person is currently feeling about you. Yes, they want stability with you. This is what I'm strongly hearing. Okay, they want stable connection with you. They want to resolve things with you. Okay, if you I'm not getting any kind of like fight as I saw for pile 1 and 2. For you, I'm seeing like a beautiful connection between you two. They really appreciate that you are their wife. If you are not, then they really want to make you their wife. Even you find this person very attractive. There is a mutual love here which I'm seeing between you two, and they want to do something and they want to build a stable foundation for themselves so that they can offer you something stable, a marriage. Okay, but they want to build something for their own so that they can offer you something stable so that you can rely on them. Okay, that doesn't mean you are not strong enough. I'm not saying that, or you are financially not well off, but this person is like a provider. Okay, which I'm getting. Yes, they want to provide. Oh my god, we have 10 of Pentacles here. I just flip it and I got this. Okay, yes, this person is thinking all about money right now. Money, stability, because if they earn money they can marry you. This is what they are thinking. They want a successful connection with you, marriage with you. They want success in this connection. They don't want to lose you here, and just because they don't want to lose you, they want to win you over. They want to become financially stable. And for some of you this person is already financially well off. Okay, this person may have been heartbroken in the past, or you may be heartbroken in the past, or may be fearful about moving forward with this new connection, but still they are trying their best. They don't want to lose with you. Okay, because they find you very worthy of their love. of their attention, of their money. They want to be a good provider here. This is what I'm getting. They want success and nothing less than that. They want to talk with you. If they have not communicated with you, yes, their message is coming definitely. They even want to travel towards you. So this is what I'm getting for you. Let's see what else. What will be their action? Let's see. So we got 10 of Pentacle as usual. So yes, they want to create a stable foundation. What will be their future actions? Marriage, I'm getting like a straight away marriage. Yes, in the past they didn't offer you something. Yes, they didn't like communicate it clearly how they were feeling about you. Okay, but now they want to offer you something. Yes, now they are gaining a strength to offer you something stable. Yes, they find you like a Queen of Pentacle who is very stable, financially stable woman. Okay, stable queen. So let's see what will be their future action. They want marriage, commitment. You may be getting married soon, some of you. Yes, family is very important here for them. For some of you, maybe they want to make their family agree on this connection. They are very creative person, definitely. Okay, actions. Now actions, let's see. Action, they want to offer you something. We have so many pentacles here, so definitely they want to offer you some gift. Maybe their birthday is coming or your birthday is coming. Birthday. Okay, what else they are feeling? Four of Wands, definitely about marriage. Definitely about marriage. They are thinking about marriage. They may be slow moving person, or this may be a person who you are going to get married. This may be your future spouse. Okay, or you are soon gonna meet your future spouse. If you have not met anyone, still you are in this reading, this person may live far from you. You both may be ending in connection and moving forward with this new connection, because we have 10 of Pentacles here and 4 of Wands. So what should I say? Okay, very beautiful connection. For most of you, I don't know why I'm getting like new connection. Right now they are taking rest from this connection. They are thinking about it, how to like earn money, how to stabilize this relation, because we have door to new romance. So this may be a new love for most of you. Okay, they want to take a break from this connection so they can build something new. And we have 10 of Pentacles here, then we have 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Then yes, definitely they want completion, they want complete satisfaction with you. Then we have 3 plus 3 soulmate. Okay, if this person is not expressing their feeling, they will definitely express it very soon, or maybe new love is entering your life. Okay, so this is what I'm getting for you. So now let's take one advice for you, what you should do in this connection. Yes, you should not look for other options, which I'm getting. You should not look for other options. This is what this card is telling me. You should not look for other options. You should trust this person. If you want to take a break, you can take a break from this connection. Think about it, realize what you want, and tell this person. One advice, please. One advice for Empress. So you are soon gonna be an Empress. Okay, or some of you may be pregnant. Okay, or some of you are waiting for your marriage, because we have 3 and 3 that relates to creativity. So this person may be from a creative field. Okay, you are soon gonna be an Empress, and we have a star. So this will be like a wish come true for you. Okay, this connection is like a wish come true. And yes, this person is coming towards you. In the beginning you may not trust this person, but this person is loyal, which I'm getting. Okay, so you are Empress, and they think you are like wife material. Okay, one more, and you are also very passionate and very like psychic. Okay, you have inner knowing about things. You may be a business partner, or you may work together, you may study together. You may be confused about this connection in the beginning, but what you will do later on, yes, you will be confused as usual about this connection. Divine timing is in work, so definitely things will resolve if things are not going well in this connection. If you are waiting for a true partner, this partner is coming, or you will meet this person very soon. With the Sun card, I'm definitely getting someone is pregnant here. Okay, yes. Anything else? This person may be little logical. One last advice: keep moving forward with your life, and you don't need to wait for this person. Whenever this person have to come, they will come. So if you have not met, if you have already met, this is a wonderful connection. If you are confused about a certain connection, you may be seeing like number 33, angel number, then this is the person. Angels are guiding you towards this person. Yes, this is the right one. This is your, for most of you, this can be a future spouse. Okay, and a very great connection. In the beginning you may be confused about this connection, but I think you should move forward with this person. Okay, if this is a new person. Okay, let's see about person from your past. Okay, person from your past. Okay, this card came. So definitely don't accept anyone from your past. End all those things, toxic people. Remove all those toxic people from your life. Now let's see the love messages for you, what we have. You can make me better when I am feeling down. So this is the first love message. Second, you would travel long distance just to see me. So as I said, you may live at long distance, and your voice resonates deeply in my soul. Some of you, I'm getting, are singers. I don't know why. Singers, or you are performer, artist, or very creative person you are, or this person is very creative. Okay, it would be great fun to grow old together. So I'm telling you, this is not like one day connection or one night stand. This is not that, like that, something like that. Okay, you are such a nice person. So this person wants a long-term connection with you. This person is not for a short period of time. So let's take one more card. Yes, I can lose myself in the depth of your eyes. Something about your eyes and something about your voice. Two things I'm getting: something about your work, creativity, and something about your voice, and something about your eyes. This person's really like it very much. Okay, they want to grow old with you. So definitely this is a long-term connection for you. So thank you for watching. This was your reading pile 3. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, so bye, and do subscribe if you haven't. Okay, bye.